Artificial Intelligence 2023, created by Willie Lee Cotton III. Welcome to a world of endless possibilities. A world where machines can think, learn, and adapt. This is the world of artificial intelligence, or AI for short. A montage of people interacting with various AI-powered devices such as smartphones, smart homes, self-driving cars, and drones. AI is all around us, and it's becoming more and more integrated into our daily lives. From the way we communicate, to the way we travel, to the way we work, AI is making our lives easier and more efficient. In a computer lab, where scientists and engineers are working on developing new AI technologies. But what exactly is AI? Simply put, it's the ability of machines to mimic human intelligence. This can include tasks such as perception, reasoning, decision-making, and learning. There are many different types of AI, including rule-based systems, expert systems, and machine learning. A machine learning algorithm in action, showing how it is able to adjust its parameters based on input data. One of the most powerful forms of AI is machine learning, which allows machines to learn from data and improve their performance over time. This has led to breakthroughs in areas such as image and speech recognition, natural language processing, and predictive analytics. There's various examples of AI being used for beneficial purposes, such as in healthcare, education, and environmental protection. The benefits of AI are many and varied. It can help us to improve our healthcare, make our cities more livable, and even help to protect our planet. But, as with any new technology, there are also potential risks and downsides that we need to be aware of. Some examples of AI being used for harmful purposes, such as in military, surveillance, and security. AI can be used to create powerful autonomous weapons, to conduct mass surveillance, and to control and manipulate information. It's important that we take a responsible approach to the development and deployment of AI, and consider the ethical and social implications of these technologies. The future is in our hands. AI has the potential to transform our world for the better, but it's up to us to ensure that we use it for the common good. By working together, we can create a future where AI serves humanity, rather than the other way around. Artificial intelligence, AI, has the potential to revolutionize the way college is taught. Here are a few ways that AI can change college education. Personalized learning. AI can be used to create customized learning experiences for each student. By analyzing student data, AI can identify areas where a student may need extra help, and create personalized learning plans to address those areas. Intelligent tutoring systems. AI can be used to create intelligent tutoring systems that can provide students with real-time feedback, and help them to identify and correct their mistakes. Automated grading and feedback. AI can be used to grade student assignments and provide feedback automatically. This can save teachers time and allow them to focus on more important tasks. Adaptive learning. AI can be used to create adaptive learning systems that can adjust the level of difficulty of the material based on the student's progress. This can help to keep students engaged and motivated. Predictive analytics. AI can be used to analyze student data and predict which students may be at risk of falling behind or dropping out. This can help teachers to intervene early and provide support before it's too late. Virtual and augmented reality. AI can be used to create virtual and augmented reality experiences that can make learning more engaging and interactive. Intelligent automation. AI can automate the administrative tasks, such as scheduling, tracking attendance, and managing student records, which can free up the teacher's time to focus on teaching. However, it's important to note that AI is not a silver bullet, but a tool that can be used to improve education. It's essential to have a clear strategy and plan for its implementation, and to involve teachers, students and other stakeholders in the process. Artificial intelligence, AI, has the potential to significantly change the workforce. Here are a few ways that AI can impact the workforce. Automation of repetitive tasks. AI can automate repetitive tasks, such as data entry and analysis, freeing up human workers to focus on more complex and creative tasks. Job creation. AI can also create new jobs, such as data scientists, AI engineers, and AI consultants, as well as new roles within existing jobs, such as AI augmented roles. Increase productivity. AI can help to increase productivity by automating routine tasks and providing insights and recommendations based on data analysis. Enhancing decision-making. AI can assist in making better and faster decisions by providing real-time insights, data analysis, and predictions. Reducing human error. AI can reduce human errors by automating and monitoring certain tasks. Improving customer service. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants can provide 24/7 customer service, improving customer satisfaction and reducing the need for human customer service representatives. Remote work. AI-powered tools can enable remote work, such as virtual meetings and remote work management, making it easier for employees to work from anywhere. Upskilling. As AI takes over certain tasks, employees will need to acquire new skills to keep up with the changing job market. Employers will also have to invest in training and development programs for their employees to ensure they have the skills to compete in an AI-driven workforce. However, it's important to note that AI will not replace all human jobs, but it will change the nature of work and the skills required for certain jobs. It's important for individuals, organizations, and governments to proactively plan and adapt to these changes to ensure a successful transition to an AI-driven workforce. Artificial intelligence, AI, has the potential to greatly assist the elderly and sick in a number of ways. Assistive technology. AI-powered assistive technology, such as smart home devices and wearable technology, can help the elderly and sick to live independently by providing reminders for medication, monitoring vital signs, and detecting falls. Virtual companions. AI-powered virtual companions, such as chatbots or virtual assistants, can provide companionship and entertainment for the elderly and sick who may be isolated. Medical diagnosis. AI can assist medical professionals in diagnosing illnesses and conditions by analyzing medical images, such as X-rays and MRIs, or by analyzing patient data to identify patterns or potential health risks. Medication management. AI can help with medication management by providing reminders for when to take medication, and tracking medication schedules. Remote monitoring. AI can be used to remotely monitor the health and well-being of the elderly and sick, providing alerts for any unusual activity or changes in vital signs. Caregiver support. AI can assist caregivers by providing them with real-time information about their patients, and by automating routine tasks such as scheduling and record-keeping. Rehabilitation. AI can be used to create personalized rehabilitation programs for patients recovering from injury or illness, and monitor progress in real time. Emotion recognition. AI can be used to detect changes in emotional state and can alert caregivers or medical professionals if the elderly or sick person needs assistance. It's important to note that AI is not a replacement for human care, but it can be an important tool to assist caregivers and medical professionals in providing better care for the elderly and sick. AI should be used as a supplement to human care, not a replacement. Artificial intelligence, AI, has the potential to greatly improve our everyday lives in a number of ways. Personal assistants. AI-powered personal assistants, such as Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, can help us to organize our schedule, set reminders, and answer our questions. Smart home automation. AI can be used to control and automate various aspects of our homes, such as lighting, temperature, and security. Transportation, AI can be used to improve the efficiency and safety of transportation, such as self-driving cars, and optimize traffic flow. Healthcare, AI can assist medical professionals in diagnosing illnesses and conditions, help with medication management, and remotely monitor the health and well-being of patients. Shopping, AI can help us to find the best deals and make personalized recommendations for products and services. Entertainment, AI can be used to create personalized entertainment experiences, such as music or movie recommendations, and improve the accuracy of closed captions and subtitles. Education, AI can be used to create personalized learning experiences, and provide real-time feedback and support for students. Financial services, AI can be used to detect and prevent fraud, predict financial risks, and provide personalized financial advice. Language translation, AI-powered language translation can help to break down language barriers and improve communication with people who speak different languages. AI is not a replacement for human decision-making, but it can be an important tool to assist us in our everyday life. AI can help us to be more efficient and make our lives more comfortable and convenient. It's important to note that AI should be used as a supplement to human decision-making, not a replacement. Thank you for watching.